Ashley Rains, Program Manager. I'm back. I know you all missed me. I'm so happy to be here. First week and a half back and hitting the ground running. So I'm loving all the new things going on with Program. I'm loving the new classes that just started. Acts of Kindness, welcome back. You've been missed. And the new yoga class. I love it. Round of applause for our brand new staff, Jazzu, already getting super involved and coming up with her own class. Okay, so yes, also new thing. I have a new email address, which many of the staff do too. So you can now reach me at arains@voconnect.com. arains@voc, V-O-C, connect, CONNECT.com. Okay, so if you guys have any questions or you want to reach out, send me some pics, whatever, that's my email. That's where you can reach me. Also, guys, we are continuing with our theme days. So coming up February 4th, Friday, February 4th, our theme day is neon. So wear your bright neon colored. You gon' make me hit you with that lay down, baby. Ooh, say, hey now, baby. You know what I need on the day now, baby.
Tell me if you love me or not, love me or not, love me or not. I put my house on you, am I lucky or not, lucky or not, lucky or not. You gotta tell me if you love me or not, love me or not, love me or not.
It could be anything, shirt, pants, socks, headband, sunglasses, whatever you want. Just like throw on all the neon colors, have your job coaches send pictures into our Google Drive, and we can all enjoy them together. Also, we want to do a special welcome to our brand new case manager, Sophia. She just started with us. She's in the process of training. If you guys are on her caseload, she is probably starting to reach out to your homes to introduce herself. So please give her a warm welcome. We're super excited to have her on the team, and we'll be doing an introduction video of her pretty soon. So keep a lookout for that. So we're so excited to start out this 2022 fresh. We have lots of things planned for this year. Dan and I will be sitting down to discuss all the fun activities that we're gonna be having. The next activity we're gonna be having is probably our Valentine's dance. So that will be happening virtually. So we will get all of those details out to you. Okay guys, also our next meal kit. So we're continuing with meal kits. Our next meal kit for the month of January, next week is gonna be available next week on Wednesday. Dan will put the date, probably right here somewhere or right here somewhere. The meal is gonna be a taco salad. So it's gonna be delicious. We'll have all the ingredients there in the bag for you. The video will be going out on Monday, so the instructions will be there on how to prepare it. If this does not sound good to you, if you do not want the meal kit for the month of January, please call us and let us know so we can remove you from the list, okay? We don't wanna go to your house or drop off food that you guys don't want or you're not gonna use, okay? So 221-8019, please call us and let us know if you do not want the meal kit. Otherwise, enjoy it, guys. It's gonna be delicious. Also, guys, I mean, I don't know if you know this, but it's like playoff season for football, sports, right? Okay, so Saturday, we've got Raiders and the Bengals. Who's gonna win? Let us know. Comment. Priscilla, we already know who you're going for. Okay, then Sunday we have Cowboys versus the 49ers.
Woohoo!
Who's gonna win? Personally, I would really like the Cowboys to win. Not because it's Dan's team, but 49ers, man.
Hey, Ashley.
Because you all know I'm a Packer fan. I'm the only one here, holding down the fort all by myself.
Packers?
Where's Brian? It's all right, we're #1, baby. We love football, we're so excited. Let us know who's gonna win. Put in your votes. Okay, so guys, I watch a lot of these football games. My fiance Bo, super football fanatic. You know, he's in a lot of these fantasy drafts. The thing that I focus on all the time are the kickers. And when they're kicking the field goals, nothing irritates me more than when they miss a field goal. Because that's their one job. Their one job is to hit the ball through the goal post, right? I'm sorry, I hate it so much. So every time kickers miss, It's a really big deal in my house because I'm like, that's your one job. Poor guys. That sucks. Anyway.